What's up, boys? Jason here. What do you think? This is the new hair system. So, what are your thoughts on this? This is the LaVivid hair system. Yeah, extremely nice quality, to be honest with you. Well, before I start at the beginning, I must say, to be honest with you, this hair, the quality of this hair is absolutely really nice quality. You know, see the thing is, when I was making this, when I was, thinking about making this video, I wanted to really make a unbiased review, you know what I mean? Like, no bullshit type review of the LaVivid hair system. And here it goes. So basically, when I got this, it came in a black box. It has LaVivid on the box. You know, I didn't think much of the box, you know. And then I opened the hair system up, the box up, and I checked the hair system out. Now, this is the super thin skin, and I looked at the base. And to be honest with you, I wasn't madly impressed when I looked at the base. And so I already had my doubts, to be honest with you. I was like, I don't know if this is how this is gonna look. So I was a bit weary, you know. So basically, today when I went to the stylist, I took 3 hair systems with me. I had 3 options. I could have picked, we could have picked any option we wanted. She was like, oh, I want to give this LaVivid one a try. And she said, honestly, I don't know about the quality, you know, but we'll give it a try. So anyways, put it on. And I must say, the base is actually extremely comfortable. Feels the same as the last one, probably even a little bit better. So once we got it on, she was like, you know, the color match is extremely good, you know, especially in the back where it's a bit longer, the back hair. And so basically she started styling it and whatnot. And towards the end, when it was all done, and I ran my hands through it, I was like, holy smokes, I could feel a difference in like quality of hair, to be honest with you. Like it runs through so smoothly, you know? So she did the hair, put it on for me, did the cut. I went with something like, you know, I don't know if you've seen the last videos, you know, it was a little bit shorter than this and the blending was a little higher up. We've gone with probably 20, maybe 30% more in overall length. So I can kind of take it up gradually, you know. So the next time I go, I might go a bit longer than this. So the nice thing about that is we've kept the sides and the back the exact same way, you know. We've only just added the length and the blending a bit different. But if I was to choose to take this off at some point, the other one I had previously would fit right on. There would be no difference, you know. And I'm really digging the haircut. To be fair, I'm happy with this. And I'm happy with how it's turned out. Now, keep in mind, I shaved the sides about 2 weeks ago for the other hair system. So I'm going to give it about a month for these sides to come in nicer and thicker. And once they do, I think it's going to look extremely good, you know? And to be honest with you, I'm digging it. And yeah, but I'm telling you now, I can feel, you know, the hair is just wonderful. You know, I like the fact that it just goes through so smoothly. I put a tiniest bit of product in it, but not that much, you know? And on my original system, kind of the blending, originally they took it so high up, almost to the base, you know, where this has been kind of left about the halfway point. So it's just simply these having to come in a little bit thicker to blend it in. But other than that, I mean, I'm liking it, to be honest with you. And I think this hair system was darkest brown. And I'm not sure 100% what the hair system type was on their website, on the LaVivid website. But I am going to put the link in the description below for the hair system and for the site. But no, if this is something that you're looking into, this is darkest brown. And I've got quite dark hair, almost going on blackish. But this dark brown, I mean, it fits the beard perfectly also, you know. And I feel like we nailed like a perfect length, you know. Last one I've kind of had the slick back look. This one, not so much a slick back look, but it's just kind of like got a little length to it, got a bit of style to it. So I'm liking this. So okay, this is my overall opinion on the LaVivid hair system. So I ordered when it was ordered. It took about 8 days to arrive. I wasn't massively impressed, to be honest with you, but after it was, you know, watered, washed, and kind of ready to go on the head, as soon as she put it on, I'm like, oh, this is comfortable. And the stylist even said she didn't have big expectations, but she was really surprised about after how it's come out in the end and the quality. So I mean, that's got to kind of speak for itself in a way, you know. I mean, you see it. You know, is that something you would like? You know, is it, you know, what do you think of the hairstyle? What do you think of the color match to my beard? What do you think of the length? You know, shoot me your opinion in the comments. Let me know. But I think it was like pleasant change. The other one, slick back, previous, you know, could look good, just brush back. This one, I want to let the sides come in a bit, and I want to kind of, you know, have a bit of length to mess with. And to be honest with you, the hair system by LaVivid actually surpassed my expectations. I was a little doubtful in the beginning, but after it went on my head, how comfortable it is and the quality of the hair, I can't really knock it. So I'm giving LaVivid 10 out of 10. I'm giving the stylist and the hairdressers that have done this for me today 10 out of 10. I mean, both really good quality, and I'm really happy with it.